Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a iPhone 13 Pro Max and the battery is swollen. You can see from here is coming up, and I will show you how you can replace the battery for iPhone 13 Pro Max. First open the bottom screws. Second one. And after then a little lift up the screen. After open the screen, disconnect the battery first. Disconnect the LCD flex connector and the speaker connector. Separate the LCD, and after then we need to open first this area. Need to make space for pull the sticky tape. Speaker little bit move in this side, and there have a one screw, this screw, and open from here. Now is opened. Separate the speakers. And after then we will use the tweezer and remove the sticky tape under the battery. From this side is a little bit hard because we was open this area speakers, then was easy from here. If is you can't do from here and sticky tape is going break, Then you can use the alcohol as well. You can put the alcohol. And just wait for the 1 minute, or after then will be removable from there. The battery is removed from there. After remove the battery, clean this glue from here. Now first we will put it back, the speakers, and this is not connected with their speaker. You can remove this one, because after then you can easily connect this speaker with connector. Sorry, before this you can put this screw. After then put the speaker back. Then put it back, all screws. After then put it back screws. You need to put the new battery, and sticky tape first put on the back. This comes same like this. Sticky tape, and after then put it back, battery on the right place. And little press. Now I'm going to connect the LCD. Now the battery is connected. Now I'm going to turn on the phone. Now phone is turning on. First time I will check the battery is okay, and after that I will put it back the screws and the shields on the LCD connector. Yeah, the battery showing the message battery replacement not recognized, but is no worry. This is always give the message when if you replace with the original battery as well, you will see the same message. Don't worry about this message, just check the battery is okay. Now I'm going to put it back, shields, both shields. Now the all screws is done. Now I'm going to put it back LCD. First from there. The job is done. Hopefully guys this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Just put it back the screws. Don't forget this as well. Okay. Thank you. Bye.